Welcome to my YouTube channel. This time we will learn to create this Terminator effect in Adobe Photoshop. Let's start. We remind you that the images used in this video are in the description. To start, we go to the Terminator image and with the lasso tool select the face. Then with Ctrl plus the C key, we copy the selection, and with Ctrl plus V, we paste the face in the other image. We adjust the face we copied in the center to match the face of the subject. We lower the opacity to see better where to place the face. Once the face is in the right place, we raise the opacity. Now we apply a layer mask and select the brush tool. With the brush we begin to erase the areas that we do not want, leaving only the area of the wound as seen on the screen. If we erase one more part, simply changing the brush color for white, we can fix it. Take your time on this to obtain an optimal result. Once finished deleting the unwanted areas, with the lasso tool we select again the area of the face. Now we go to Image, Adjustment and click on Match Color. Here we are going to match the color of the images, selecting in Source the project where we are working and in Layer the layer that we want to take as reference. Now we move the values to get a better result. After doing that, we fix with a brush some areas of the wound that are not well defined. Now we combine the layers with Ctrl plus the E key, and lower the saturation of the image. Perfect. We're done. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe. I will be leaving you on screen 2 more videos from our channel in case you are interested. Thanks for the support.